Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the stems feature from Suno. Super simple, just select your song and select this icon here and then select get stems. Now I can't do this, but you're going to see that there are two options. So stems, you can kind of separate the vocals from the instrumental part of the song, or you can basically use stems to make it so that there are like a few, so that it will like separate the all of the elements in that audio into like different sections. But unfortunately I can't show you because I don't have the Suno Pro. But yeah, that's how you can do this in Suno. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.